John Cabot by Lily Ridge, Alyssa Meyer, Nevaeh Reid, and Chris Wright. All about John Cabot. John Cabot was born in 1455 in Gaeta, Italy. His nationality is Vietnam Italian. He married Meta and had 3 sons, Sebastian Cabot, Sanctus Cabot, and Ludovico Cabot. He married Meta in 1470. John Cabot died between 1498 and 1501. John Cabot was born during the Renaissance. John Cabot went to Spain to get money for his voyage, but they were already funding his rival Christopher Columbus. John Cabot moved to England in 1495, where he went to King Henry VII. John Cabot studied navigation and map-making.
England was anxious to explore the same lands that Christopher Columbus explored. They wanted to claim them as colonies. John Cabot used a cross staff for checking the way where he was going. He also used a device called an astrolabe. An astrolabe was a device that one would line up with the sun or stars and would be used to find direction. While on his journey to find another water route to Asia, he experienced bad weather, food shortages, and conflict with his crew forcing him to return to England. The bad weather was violent storms and strong winds.
John Cabot sailed to Canada, which he mistook for Asia in 1497. He traveled to Canada commanding a small ship called Matthew. Cabot landed near Labrador, Newfoundland, or Cape Breton Island on June 24, 1497. John Cabot did not circumnavigate. He traveled on a caravel. His exploration set sail in May 1498 for a return voyage to North America. Cabot's final days remain a mystery.
John Cabot discovered codfish. John Cabot took a northerly route. John Cabot was also the first to find North America. The participating countries are Portugal, Spain, England, and France. Christopher Columbus' interest in God's glory and gold sparked John Cabot's idea to find other faster trade routes.
I like that y'all say my name.
The Treaty of Tordesillas, June 7th, 1494, is an agreement between Spain and Portugal aimed at settling conflicts over lands discovered or explored by Christopher Columbus.
John Cabot is known for his voyage to North America, where he claimed Canada for England. John Cabot used a cross staff, a night disc for calculating the time at night. He used a compass for looking the way to going to Canada and return to England. John Cabot died from getting lost at sea with his crew, ships, and possibly his son, and died between 1498 and 15. That was our presentation on John at night. He used
as colonies.